guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So this week we have seen that Nifty has surpassed its psychological 23,000 marks and hit a fresh all-time high. On weekly basis, it has given a consolidation of the last few weeks, and on the daily frame, it has been forming higher highs from the last 10 sessions. Over and above, we can see complete dominance of the bulls in the indices, and we are expecting it to move ahead towards 23,350 levels with a crucial support of 22,700 zones. Talking about Bank Nifty, we can see strength continuing over here as well. Now, some of the PSU names are holding quite well, and some of the private heavyweight counters are now showing strength. So we are looking at a support of 48,500 for the next move towards 49,500 in this index. Also, short covering move should trigger the next leg of rally. Now, sectors to focus, we have seen tremendous move in the shipping and railway stocks. Now shifting focus to auto, which has been resilient. Also, defense is one space which still has momentum to be driven. Also, telecom space along with some power names and selective pharma stocks are on radar. Thank you. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.